This is my app called Expert. Become your own expert is the slogan. This app is designed specifically for people to learn DIY, do-it-yourself skills on their own time. The thing that sets this apart, though, from most other apps that have the same kind of qualities is it is a community. Not only is it a community where you will be talking, conversing with other people, but you have the ability to talk to the actual experts that are teaching you these skills. So to get going, you can go to one of these three options. Obviously, if you have a password already, just log in, sign up, or if you're not sure if you really want to do it, you could hit Explore. If you hit Explore, you can just go and check out what the page has to offer you, what this site, what this app has to offer you. When you go to sign up, though, you can sign up through Google or Facebook, or username, and you can choose any of these options. The more expensive one is on top. It was discovered that the more expensive one should be on top since it's the one that most people will see most often. But they can choose whatever one they want. And then once they pay, they are now on the main screen. It's up to them to determine what they want to do and how they want to proceed. Some people might have very specific projects that they have in mind, or they have an expert that they want to look up, and they can do that. They can choose an expert or a project if they have one in mind. Or they can do trending. They can see what people across the country are using right now. What projects are they doing? What experts are they doing? Because sometimes they just might want to learn a skill. Sometimes they might have no agenda and they just are looking for inspiration. Let's say they do have a specific project though. They can choose the project button and it'll go to the project home. From there they can either search for the project or it might be up here. Let's say it's fix a sink. When they get to that, they can watch a video that will teach them how to fix a sink. What's nice though is they also have this comment section, very similar to YouTube. The only difference is for this comment section, you will be talking about how did your project go. You could type in how to go, or you could ask questions. All right? And when you do that, people have the ability to reply. They can click reply to yours and they can answer your questions, or they can just say good job, or they could have their own questions. And this is the part that brings you to that community. It's a whole area where people are trying to learn these DIY skills, and they're just praising and helping each other out throughout the process. If you have very specific questions and you want to ask the expert, that's when you can go to this contact button. It will bring you to the expert that you are actually getting taught by. From there, you can hit contact, and you have the ability to either just email, which is just a simple question, and it's not an urgent. Hopefully you'll get it back in a couple days. Or you can go to an instant chat. This feature is unique among all other apps that I've seen. You could chat with them by choosing a date and a time, and you now have the ability to have a live conversation with that expert, where they will allow you to show what's going on. They'll teach you anything you need, but it'll be the exact same thing as if you hired a plumber or you hired a painter to come in to check out your work. Once you're all done, you can go back to the home page and continue on with your process. This app was developed very specifically for people who want to learn how to do these projects, and with the help of the community, the people that are also there, as well as the ability to live chat with the expert, this would be an app that would be very beneficial for anyone wanting to learn these skills.